Hello everybody, it's Inex here. In today's video we will create a glitch text effect in Photoshop. Our first step is to write a text. We can resize it with Ctrl+T command. After we got our text, make a copy of it with the Ctrl+J shortcut. Double click on the bottom text and deselect the red channel. Then double click on the top text and deselect the green and blue channels, and move the text to right or left a little bit. After that, with the Rectangler Margot tool, we select a line in all the text and move a little bit with the Move tool and the arrows. We made this a few more times, and our last step is to go to Filter, Pixelate and Mezzotint, and select long strokes, and our glitch text effect is done. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.